Profit Tearz review and $3,997 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Profit Tearz review. I have a huge bonus to it worth almost $4,000 now. This is a brand new product released by Jason Fulton and Mark Barrett, two Australian guys, two of my good friends, and actually Mark is the one that came up with this whole concept and a case study. He made $138 in a single day without selling anything. Okay, so I know that some of you guys out there, maybe you've tried affiliate marketing and it didn't work because you actually have to sell something. You're only making a commission when someone else is making a purchase. Now with this strategy, you're not selling anything, you're essentially doing free giveaways and you're making money this way. So it's absolutely brilliant. Now Mark was I think he's in the top 5 or top 7 vendors on Warrior Plus. Then he took a few years off and now he's back with his new strategy. So he started this from an absolute scratch, so he didn't use his existing list for it or anything like this. He made his money from scratch and now you can too, because he'll show you exactly how he did it. Okay, so let me share my screen. Let's jump into this Profit Tearz review. So this is the sales page, and as you can see, it says struggling newbies, does making $0 online bring tears to your face? Profit Tearz new case study reveals the no selling pandemic proof method. This dad used to go from 0 to $136 plus daily, and how you can do it too without selling experience or paid traffic. So again, everyone wants to make money in the pandemic, but not a lot of people actually want to spend money. People want to save as much as they can. So that's why this is a great strategy, because again, you're not selling anything. Let's just scroll down. Let's check out the rest of the sales page. 3 simple steps, 136 days. This is how much Mark actually made, and obviously this will work for larger payments too. So you can see, you know, he makes $200, $300, even $1,000 right here with the same exact strategy. Okay. So on the sales page, they say, you know, it's released by Jason Fulton and Mr. X. So Mr. X is Mark Barrett, again, my good friend. So that's the mystery there for you. Again, $136 in just one day. This is a case study, Profit Tearz, and this is my Profit Tearz review. Again, 3 simple steps, some testimonials, more proof. So again, this can be used for making money this way or any other way, because you actually will learn about traffic, and this traffic can be applied to anything. That's Jason right here, traveling all around the world. Some more testimonials, all the you know, bonuses and everything else. So you're gonna get my bonuses obviously on top of whatever is mentioned on the sales page. 30 days money back guarantee. And that's it. Again, you can go through all of this in your own time as always. Let me show you the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, again, Jason Fulton, Mark Barrett, welcome to Profit Tearz. So we have the welcome video right here. Then we have training modules. As you can see, we have welcome to Profit Tearz, network sign up, and offer the basic method. So this is a network that I was not actually familiar with. Okay, so it's not about Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank. This is a network working with CPA marketing and cost per lead marketing. Okay, so it's just a different way of making money. Again, you don't have to sell anything, because this is CPA is called cost per action. Okay, so if someone takes an action like entering their email, or like sometimes it's even just as simple as submitting their zip code, you're making a commission. Now these commissions are a little bit smaller. You know, you won't be making, you know, $50 per commission. You're making anywhere from 50 cents maybe to $5 per commission. But with that being said, it is much easier to actually convince someone to enter their email or enter their zip code comparing to them buying something. So that's why it's you know, instead of convincing one person to buy something for $50, you can convince 10 people or 50 people to just enter their email or enter their zip code. So this is the network sign up, free link tracker, basic method. This is how we're gonna track all of it. Then we have Profit Tearz advanced video number 1, 2, and 3. So this is obviously newbie friendly. You can start making money with this even if you have 0 experience. But if you already have some experience, or if you're going to be familiar already with this method, then they show you the advanced training as well. done for you campaign. So you're actually getting a done for you campaign included in the main version. So this is not an upsell, you're getting the done for you campaign. Then traffic, we have both paid traffic and free traffic. So with the free traffic, obviously you don't have to pay for it. You can start making money. You can see that this stuff is actually working. And then if you want, you can reinvest some of that money that you made with free traffic into paid traffic to scale this up. Now, paid traffic obviously is optional, but they're just giving you an option of scaling up or not. So totally up to you. If you just want to do more of the free traffic method, you can. If you want to scale it up to really start making thousands of dollars per day, you can scale this up with paid traffic. Now, case studies, as you can see, we have a couple of case studies. So in the first one, they made $2,244.50, and in the second one, they made $920. So again, Mark made $138 on his first day, but obviously he didn't stop after the first day. So he made a total of $3,000 plus, with 2 campaigns, and this is totally replicable and achievable, even if you are a beginner, okay? Then we have the bonuses, as you can see, and then we have some upgrades. We will talk about upgrades in a second. So that's essentially it. Essentially, it is a course, a video course. You're getting the done for you campaign as well. So no fancy software. You just have to watch the videos, apply the same strategy, and make money. So again, this is actually something that I really like for beginners, because again, you don't have to sell anything. You just have to convince people to enter their email or their zip code, or it can be an action like filling out a form or something. So depending on what the action is, the more money you're going to be making. Okay, so that's it. That's what's inside the Profit Tearz members area. And right now, let's check out the funnel. So Profit Tearz, as you can see, it will be $12.94. So that's the early bird price for the first 6 hours. So if you want to pick it up for less than $13, make sure to show up for the early bird. Now let's check out the upsells. So after picking it up, you will be presented with a few upsells or one-time offers. Profit Tearz OTO number 1 is the underground secret commission sites, $47, and this is a comprehensive method where they're showing you everything. Essentially, you'll be tapping into a hidden secret underground commission sites, and you're also getting done for you campaigns to allow you to profit faster. Okay, so just this will rapidly boost your income. Okay, so this is something additional if you want to make some extra money, and this is Profit Tearz OTO number 1, $47. Profit Tearz OTO number 2 for $67. We have the advanced 500x edition. So here you're getting a bunch of done for you stuff. Okay, so you're getting 60 plus done for you emails to maximize your commissions. You're getting swipes, you're getting everything to scale things up to 6 figures using email marketing. Okay, so obviously with Profit Tearz, what you can do is just take the traffic, send it directly to the CPA offer, and make money this way. Or you can build a list and just create a 6-figure per year online empire for yourself. Okay, so that's $67. OTO number 2, Profit Tearz OTO number 3, we have done for you affiliate profits, $197. Obviously, Profit Tearz is all about CPA marketing and cost per lead marketing, but if you want to make even more money with affiliate marketing, that's $197. And next up, we got Profit Tearz 1K payday. So for $77, these guys will show you all of the secret methods to generating multiple 1K days with the use of just one super simple technique. You don't need a domain, website, or hosting, and you can just scale things up very easily with this to 1K per day. Next up, and this is actually the last OTO, Profit Tearz license rights for $97. Here you're getting the opportunity to sell Profit Tearz as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. Okay, so not just the main product, but the whole funnel. Me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions, you can grab the license rights to Profit Tearz and make all the money without having to host anything, do any selling, or even support. Okay, so as always, guys, OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone. Everything I showed you in this video is included in the main version, but if you want to make your life a little bit easier, maybe with the done for you edition or the license rights, you can definitely think about picking one of these up. Now let me show you all of the bonuses I got in store for you, because again, I have almost $4,000 worth of bonuses. And let me just mention that Profit Tearz goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on May 1st. Now to get all of these bonuses, just pick it up through my link, and to do so just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 9 a.m. Eastern on May 1st. And the first link in the description from YouTube will take you to my blog, so you can check out my full written review. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you 3 custom-made bonuses, and these are 3 different ways of generating traffic. So obviously, these guys will show you a few ways of generating traffic for free and also paid traffic. I will show you 3 additional ways so you can generate even more commissions, okay? 3 custom-made bonuses to Profit Tearz. I'm also going to give you some additional software bonuses, okay? So done for you profits, that's software bonus number 1. Lazy profits, software bonus number 2. And I'm also going to give you a done for you pack with a bunch of different things, including free done for you courses with full PLR, which means that you can actually sell these as your own products. 49 done for you email campaigns, that's another bonus you're gonna get from me. You're also gonna get my top selling Fiverr courses, Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, Riser, and some additional W's of the Day awarded products. 3-step profit machines, quantum profits, piggyback, cash system, fusion, newbie traffic formula, and additional software and a bundle of plugins. Check this out, because I'm giving you a massive value here. So first of all, you're getting a total of 12 plugins plus additional 9, so that's 21. Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin, Biz, sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar plugin, Shortcode Call to Action, and also WordPress responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post grid, post widget, WordPress courses plugin, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pinbook, social tracker, traffic hoover, Facebook traffic engine, and Facebook photo contest. Now guys, this is by far the biggest bonus I've ever created to an affiliate promotion. It's 53 bonuses total, but I'm not done, because you're also getting my mega bonus. My mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and product of the day awarded courses. You can check it out by going to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. My mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and all of these other bonuses are worth $2,500, which means you're getting a total of $3,997 worth of bonuses. Now this is a real world value, okay? So you would actually have to spend $4,000 if you would pick all of these up individually, and these are not PLR or MMR, these are actual bonuses, custom made, done for you campaigns, software, plugins. All of this is a real world value. Now, as always guys, I have a full written review. This will include the funnel, this will include all of this written part. That's me and Mark, by the way. This is Mark and his wife, and me and my wife Anna. So I actually know Mark in person. And let's sum up this Profit Tearz review. So to sum up this Profit Tearz review, absolutely no selling required to profit. Again, this is CPA marketing and cost per lead marketing, much easier than affiliate marketing. This is no BS fairy, so this is proven by 100% results shown by Mark in the case studies. No paid methods involved, okay? So you can use free traffic, and then if you want, you can scale this up with paid traffic or not, totally up to you. No guesswork. The done for you campaign is included, done for you campaigns, so multiple campaigns. No special skills, and you can create a new passive income stream. Now, what I don't like about Profit Tearz, this is not affiliate marketing, so the payouts are smaller, okay? So you won't be making, you know, $10, $20, $50 per sale. You will be making probably 50 cents to $5 per action, okay? So it's not per sale. But with that being said, it is much easier to actually convince people to take an action, like again, submitting their zip code or entering their email, comparing to actually buying anything. So you will be getting tons of commissions versus maybe a few commissions as an affiliate marketer, okay? So this is a minus, but this is a plus in other ways. So it's just a different way of making money online. So again guys, Profit Tearz goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on May 1st. Make sure to pick it up through my link to get all of these bonuses. Again, click on one of these blue links from my blog or the second link in the description from YouTube if you want to go directly to the sales page, and the first link in the description takes you to my blog. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. Now, all you have to do is click on your icon with your name at the top right corner here. Once you are in Warrior Plus, go to purchase history, find Profit Tearz, and below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. Guys, this is an amazing method. Again, no selling. I've tried CPA marketing and cost per lead marketing before, and it absolutely works. So it gets 2 thumbs up from me. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll see you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.